Hi, my name is Angela Harvey, and I'm a professional licensed stylist in Cleveland, Ohio. During my time behind the chair, I've learned tons of tips and tricks that I definitely wish I knew before I was a hairstylist. So I've decided to start sharing them with you. No matter your skill level, I hope these videos make your life a little easier, a little less maintenance, and help you have the hair you've always wanted. Hello. So today we're going to talk about toner. I feel like most customers, when they come in, have no idea what I'm talking about when I say toner. And when you show me those beautiful inspiration pictures with a blonde at the end that say has like a vanilla blonde, or say they have red or chocolate, these different colors are what toner does to your hair. So today we're going to talk a little bit about that as I tone my hair to remove a little bit of this unwanted gold. Okay, so what is toner? Toner is a demi-permanent hair color, so that means it's temporary, that is used to enhance, correct, darken, or change the tone or color of previously lifted hair. It can also work on someone who is, say, a natural blonde, but for me, who I am not a natural blonde, toner is not really going to change much unless I have lifted blonde pieces in my hair. So you'll see at the end of the video here that the toner actually does nothing to my natural brunette, except for add maybe a little bit of shine. But it will change the color of those blonde lifted pieces in the front of my hair. So say you just got a balayage or a highlight. Your hair at the bowl is not the beautiful, refined, white blonde or wheat blonde or vanilla blonde or any of these food related names that we call blonde hair until your hairstylist tones it. In the bowl, your hair is most likely yellow, like banana yellow. Sometimes it's orange, like high C orange, and it's just not generally very beautiful. So all the magic happens when we tone the hair. Okay, so at this point, I've done a lot in the video that I haven't talked about, but all you need to know is the toner is on and it's processing, and just like that, boom, my hair is toned. Okay, so can you see the difference? If not, here's a really good reminder of what it looked like before. So see how it's yellowy, kind of golden, and now it's just a more subtle, soft. It's still blonde. It's still lighter than my natural color, which is what I wanted, but it's just a little bit more refined. I could also take those blonde pieces in the front and make them red if I wanted, or caramel or chocolate for the fall, but what I can't do is make them lighter. So next time you come in to see me or your regular stylist and we talk about toner, hopefully you have a little bit better understanding what the heck we're talking about, and you can ask more informed questions. See you next time.